So let's say that we want to charge up our ray gun at night. Well, we can't use solar concentrators, obviously. What we can do is we can store some energy in a capacitor. So let's connect these two together. And now our capacitor is charging, so we can actually see how much charge is held up here, and we can also see this light blue cube in the middle getting bigger to indicate how much charge is held. Now, if you want to use this, let's say that it becomes night. We can connect this and energy will flow out. And you'll notice it's not flowing out, super quickly. This isn't burning out, it's not being overloaded, and that's because the capacitor only can output at 3 watts. Now, one thing to note is if we set the time back to day, energy will keep flowing through. So this is quite convenient where you can have something rigged up during the day and then have it store energy during the night. Although keep in mind, if you disconnect this, it's going to store energy faster. Another thing to keep in mind is that if we rig that up, it's still going to drain energy from the capacitor. And that's important because you're going to waste energy like that. So keep this disconnected when you're not using this if you can.